Alright, so I'm going to show you how to remove the glass from a Del Sol mirror. This should work for other Hondas. As you can see, there's these little squares in here. Let me show you the glass. I pulled out the driver's side already. I'm getting ready to paint the housings, but I wanted to make sure I got the inside good. So on the back, there's these two upper hinges and clips at the bottom. So you pull from the bottom. Alright, so I need to paint the housings to match the car that I'm working on. And I wanted to make sure I could get inside around that edge real good. So I'm gonna do it. Alright. See if I can get the camera focus. Hopefully I don't break it, because it's so sketchy. I have the mirror upside down. I'm pushing on the top, pulling on the bottom. There it is. Alright. Bottom released. So that means I got the bottom clips out right there. But I have to continue turning it some more until the top is ready to come out. Be very careful, because this is so sketchy. Boom. There it is. Glass is out. Glass is safe. Now I'll be able to paint the housings and get the inside real well. I also took off this on the other one, but that's irrelevant to this video. So good luck. Be careful. And if you find this helpful, or you like the Del Sol turret I'm working on, please subscribe. That would be very helpful. Thank you.